In this video, I want to go over the even or odd problem on Codewars. And what I want you to do is to create a function that takes an integer as an argument and returns even for even numbers and odd for odd numbers. Now if we go look at the function and the argument that it passes us with a number, we can actually do this very simply. What we can do is we can use a ternary operator to test to see if number is even or odd. So what we will do is we will turn even if number modulus 2 is equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, we will return odd. Now the way this ternary operator works is this is the test condition right here. If this test condition is true, we will return even. However, if the test condition is false, it will return odd. The test condition is simply an if statement. If number modulus 2 is equal to 0. This modulus operator, basically what it does is, say number, it was a 21, what would happen is 2 would divide into number 10 times, however the remainder would be 1. So what this modulus operator does is returns the remainder. Now if we test this, see what happens. 11 pass, and if we attempt it, all 111 test cases pass. So that is the even or odd problem on Codewars. I hope that you learned something and it was helpful. If it was, I would appreciate if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And I will see you guys in future tutorials.